What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Little Jackson.
Hi.
This is Little Presley. Say hi, Presley.
Hi.
Yeah. So today we're gonna make some Crab Rangoon. This version we're gonna make it into a dip. So you go to the Chinese restaurant and you have those Crab Rangoon wrapped in wonton. But this version we make the wonton into a chip. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go. The other side. The other side. Yeah.